everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Vegas.PK YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this blue peacock colored inspired eye makeup look. And as you can see, it's totally glam. You can carry it for formal dinners and for parties and for functions. So it has a lot of focus around the eyes. It's a very intense smoky eye look, and smoky eyes are rocking the entire year of 2021. So let's get right into it and grab a snack. So to prep my skin, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. And now to prep my lips, I'm going to use Rude Scrub Ski Balmer. This is a dual-ended product. One side we have a scrub, and on the other side there is a balm. I won't be using the scrub, I'll only be using a balm, and I'll show you guys how. So on this side there is a scrub. If you like, you can use the scrub. I won't be using so. Over here we have the balm, so I'm going to use the balm side. It has a very nice smell, and I have done a skincare video previously on Rude, so you can get the details of this product from there as well. So I always like to prep my lips before I start my makeup, because I want to let the product soak in by the time it's time for me to apply the lipstick on. So for the foundation, I'm using LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. It's really great for my skin because I have an oily skin, and I'm using the shade Biscuit. So I've taken a few pumps of this foundation, and with a flat brush, I'm going to take some product and apply it on the areas where I need it the most. And now I'm going to take my foundation brush and blend it all together. And now for my concealer, I am using Maybelline concealer, and this is in the shade Sand 20. Now for setting my concealer, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Relove Collection's Super HD Loose Powder. So I'm just going to mattify the areas where I get high shine, and I'm going to let the product absorb in my skin till I complete my makeup look. Now I know I usually do my eyes first and then my foundation, but for this look I am going to do a little bit dramatic eyes, but I'm going to do it after my foundation, because for my eyes I'm using a product which does not have any fallout, and that's what I want to prove you guys in the video today. So for shaping my eyebrows, I'm using the Balm's eyebrow pencil, which is called Ferocious, in the color brown. Now for my eye makeup, I'm using Rude Whatever Forever eyeshadow palette. So from this palette, I will be using this color for my transition shade, and then these two for the blue areas of my eye makeup. for my mascara, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Power Lash Volume Mascara. So for my eyelashes, I am using the Rude Foaming 3D eyelashes. So I'm done with the eye makeup and I've done my contouring, and now I'm going to move on to blush. And for my blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Duo Blush and Highlighter Palette. It's called Blushed from their Relove collection. So for my highlighting, I'm going to use this amazing product. It's from Rude Highlighting Shimmer Trio. It has 3 colors of highlighters. This is a more silver tone, this is a light gold, and this is a warm gold. So I will be using these two, this one on my inner corners and this one for my face highlighting. And now for my lipstick, I am going to show you guys a very amazing product and I'm really excited to use this. These are some lip pencils from NARS. It's a matte lip color set and it has some very beautiful colors, as you guys can see. This product basically has all the essentials that you need to create any beautiful look. And for my look today, I will be using this color over here. It's a little bit of a warm coral color and it's in the shade Dolce Vita. For setting my makeup, I am going to use the Makeup Revolution Sports Fix Spray. And since the name suggests, it's Sports Fix, so it's highly sweat resistant. So here's the final look, you guys, and as you can see, with this look you look instantly presentable and ready to make an impression on any formal parties and dinners. And as going through the video, I proved that after putting my face makeup, which is the foundation and the base, I used the eyeshadows from the Rude Forever palette and it absolutely had no fallout, even though I used so many intense blue purple colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and you liked this look and you'll try it at home. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.